like a Hellcat.
Okay, so today we are going to replace Samsung A11 LCD. Disassembly ko na siya. So ito yung LCD. In-order ko sa online. Ayan. Tinest ko na rin siya and working siya. So ang gagawin na lang natin ngayon is i-install natin siya. I-didikit natin siya. Okay. Ito yung frame ng phone. And ito yung back cover. So let's go.
I begin to
Okay, we are all set. LCD already installed on Samsung A11. Let's try. And so as you can see, it's working. And napakaganda. And soft. Try natin kung working ba yung all sides niya. Ayan. Okay, so goods. No problem with the touchscreen, and LCD quality is good. For its price, it's so good. It's really worth it. Okay, so for inquiries, just DM me, direct message my Facebook account in the description, and I'll try to fix your phone. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please support me. God bless.